Okay, and now we are going to show the second thing where this movable cylinder is excellent, because when you are trying to remove, let's say, ball bearing, you have to split the table. If it's hard part like this, that there isn't much thickness here, you have to get the table absolutely right, and you do it by putting this like here, and then you have to tap this until it's here, like this. Now it looks quite safe to push, but we have now slight problem. As you see, our carefully placed ball bearing is here and the cylinder is here. So we fucked up, but we can now just move this here and save a lot of time. It's really hard to make this absolutely right and also be absolutely on the center. So when this moves, you can eliminate the second annoying thing from the task. And now we just push it out. And it's still a bit exciting, so I'm going to use the hand pump not to break anything. Yes.